At some time last week or the week before, you guys gave Miss Dalton topics that you wanted to debate about. Okay, perfect. So, the way this is going to work is I have a sign-up sheet. This sign-up sheet takes a really long time to go around because everybody wants to read all of the options, which is totally fine. But I'm going to start this right now, and I need you to keep track of it throughout the room so it doesn't get lost.
Do we have groups with us, or is it like a single one-on-one?
It's going to be a one-on-one sort of debate. Okay. So, what I need you to do is, as I'm passing this around, you still need to be paying attention to the instruction up here, because I'm going to tell you how you can take really good notes to win your debate. On this sign-up sheet, there's two options. You can sign up to debate a topic, or you can sign up to judge. So if you don't want to talk a lot and you just prefer to listen, you can sign up to judge. Does anybody have any questions about that? Okay, so I'm going to start it over here. Wait, go ahead.
Are we doing this in front of the class?
We're going to be doing it in different stages in front of the class.
I think me and Chris need to go in front of the class.
We're going to start by dividing the class into two groups. Everybody's going to have a topic that's debating, and you're going to debate within that group. And then if you win, you're going to move on to the next round. And then the final round is going to be in front of everyone. I think there's going to be 4 judges for each debate. So if the judge side has a lot of sign-ups for it, then it's okay. And this chart has separations in it. If you want a specific topic, you can do that, or just generally, however you want to do it.
How many people can sign up to debate at in one debate?
Perfect question. So, this since this is just a sign up, you have the chance to choose 3 of them. So, you choose your top 3. That means that there's probably going to be more than 2 names in each box. So, if you really want to debate about openly gay Disney characters and whether or not it matters, and there are 6 other people that want to do that too, then you're welcome to put your name in that square.
Oh, wow.
Okay? Okay, so I'm going to start this, and you need to... Oh, quite a while, because last period we started it kind of late, and everybody was like, I don't have it yet, and so pay attention to that as when it comes your way, and then we'll just keep going as we go. What are things that are part of a debate? We're just going to call them out. A claim.
Like what?
What else? Last time I spelled the Sean, so tell me if I spelled it right. Perfect. Evidence.
What?
Okay. What else?
Rebuttal.
What else is in a debate?
Is this in linear order?
Anything else?
I would not do that in linear order.
Anything else? How do you know if you win?
By the judges.
Okay. So, do you guys think of anything else we need for a debate? Perfect. Okay. We'll start with this. So, for creating a debate, you have to make sure that you have a claim. So the claim is going to be related to the topic that we start with. So we've got that under control. Rebuttals. What about rebuttals? How do those work? Go ahead.
Well, it's kind of like, it's almost like the contestant that you're going against, they pretty much say a claim that goes against your point, and then the rebuttal is almost providing evidence that proves that claim.
Perfect. So you're trying to prove somebody else wrong. And when it comes to having a debate, we want to make sure that we're as prepared as possible so that they don't prove us wrong, that we're still right. So I'm going to show you a way to prepare for this. Because, so this week we have SAGE testing, next week is, anybody know? Spring break? And then,
Wait, save testing. I'm
and
gonna
then
be fine on
we're, the debate's going to be sometime after that. So you have spring break to prepare for this, but we're not going to do any preparing in class. So today I'm going to show you how to set up a basic note-taking structure for your evidence and claim and for the information that you need to cover. And then you're going to use that when you come to debate so that you're prepared. Does that make sense to everyone? Okay, so get your notebooks out and take notes on this. It'll go back up there, it's okay. If you don't have your notebooks, just grab a piece of paper. Okay. Okay guys, 10 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, so this is my lovely piece of paper.
Yeah, it is.
Okay? So if you were, this is how you're going to prepare. So at the top of our paper, when you, keep in mind that you might have to do this twice, for and against. So like front and back. Okay? So at the top of your paper, what is the most important thing in the debate?
Claim.
The claims. So we're going to put
The
our
food.
claim at the top. And you're going to say, blah, blah, blah. I think, but you're not going to use an opinion, because opinion claims are really weak. So no opinions. No I thinks, or I believe, or anything like that. It's just
I would like to conclude.
not I knows either. So an example of a claim, you can say things like, so okay, just a little context. Batman, he's known as a vigilante. That means he doesn't follow the law, but he goes after bad people. So if your claim was vigilantes like Batman should not be punished by law, then that's all that you would say. You want to say I think, or I believe, or I know. You would just say vigilantes like Batman should not be punished by law. So that's kind of a silly example, but your claim doesn't have any opinions in it. So what is next? What's next most important?
What's next most important?
Evidence.
Next most
Okay,
important.
so once you have your claim,
It's still
make sure you separate that out so that you know this is most important. If anything ever goes down and tanks, this is what you go back to. So
goes down in tanks.
on
Great.
this side of your paper, you're going to list your evidence. To what things, what kind of things do we need to look for as evidence?
Numbers or like scientific proof?
Numbers?
Numbers always scare people, so you throw out numbers.
Yes, and you can say things like, statistically, 95% of all statistics are made up on the spot.
Statistically.
What else? What other kind of things can you use as evidence?
Quotes.
Quotes. Perfect. Another thing that's always really impressive in a debate is when you say, according to the Declaration of Independence.
So like, what would that be?
What do you mean?
Like that's not like is that one of the three up there or is it something else?
Yeah, that's like a quote. You would quote the
Okay.
Declaration of
I
Independence.
can quote the Declaration of Independence.
Yeah,
Cool.
or the Bill of Rights, or the Constitution. All of
The
those things are
plaque
great
in
in
front
debate.
of Trump Tower shows.
What else can we use for evidence? Anything else?
Physical objects.
Logic is a good thing.
You can. Hey, if you're debating something about like something small, you could bring it to class and show people. It's good. I did just describe Sunday's school lesson. Woo.
Okay. Okay. So all of these things are super, super important. And it all comes down to the fact that you have to research.
Tell me what these are supposed to do. 3.
You can sign up for free. Choose your top 3 favorites.
And if you want to sign up for a judge, you just sign up for one.
Chris, just sign up for mine.
What?
Yes,
I'll
you
just
sign
one.
up for 5.
I'll just
Cross your
sign
name off 2.
Okay. No, you have to.
I'll go
So-
first, Chris.
No, you will lose,
If
Ty.
you're signing up,
I'm
make
like-
sure you're doing it quietly. So what logically would go on the opposite side of this paper?
Reasoning. Reasoning? Reasoning? Reasoning?
Close. What would be most helpful is if you, so if you're for something, on this side of the paper,
Other people's views.
other people's views. What
Someone who's
they're going to ask you about.
The counterpoint.
So, this way of thinking is not easy. But if you will do it, it will help you to be a